This video is for entertainment and very yummy food. I hope by now you know I love tofu. And today I'm going to show you how to make tofu pancakes for breakfast. Take the tofu, the same one as the spicy tofu recipe. Okay, now I'm going to take this tofu and I'm going to cut this tofu in here. I'm going to take this to mush the tofu up. Now I think I'm done, so to be sure I'm going to take my hands and I'm going to smush the tofu. Everywhere, try to do it everywhere. You need no rocks like in the tofu, not like rocks at the sea, like the ones that are holes. So, I'm done. And I'm going to try to get all of this off on my fingers. Okay, you need 3 tastes. One of them is sour. The other one is salt. And the other one is sweet. So the sour is the lemon juice. A whole lemon juice, you cut it in half, the lemon juice, with no seeds in the lemon. I'm going to pour it in. Now I have salt. Use the salt. I'm going to drop it. Now the sweet is maple syrup. And I have one more ingredient. That is oat bran. So I'm going to show you what kind it is. Now the oat bran isn't a taste, but it makes it better. So I'm going to drop it in. Oat bran is very healthy and we use it a lot. Now I'm going to take this white spoon and I'm going to mix it. You need to mix it very good. I'm going to need to do this to mix up the salt because the spoon doesn't mix the salt. Now I've done my pancake mix. Now I'm going to take my pancake mix and go to the pan. And I'm going to take the tofu and I'm going to do this. But guys, be very careful to not spread this tofu around. Okay, now I think I'm done with it all. I'm going to do this to it. Be careful with this. So a little piece of the chicken will fall on the floor. My mom always tells me to do that. I'm going to do the same to all. Now the pan is full, and I'm going to have to fry them until on the bottom it's going to be brown on both sides. Yep, this one is. Looks good. Now I want to check if this one is already fried up. That's very simple. Anybody can do it. Now I'm going to try some of it.
Makes me very strong.
This is Curious Chef Gavriel with Tofu Recipes.